On a tense evening, officers were dispatched to an apartment complex after receiving calls about a disturbance involving two sisters, known in the neighborhood for repeated conflicts and disruptive behavior. This incident quickly escalated into something much more volatile.
I hear him in here. 70. It's going to be apartment 210. Police department, open the door. It's the police department.
You don't have the right to open or search my door, so I'm not going to be opening my door.
What's going on here today?
Nothing. I'm moving out my stuff and I'm cleaning out my stuff.
Are you guys fighting with the sister again or having an argument or something?
No.
Because we got called for some sort of a disturbance. People.
I'm sure it was upstairs, right?
No.
The wherever it was, well, they're just haters and they've been stalking me probably, and I should call the police on them. But no, me and my sister.
Who else is here?
My sister, she's staying here. She does not live here. I live here. I have the lease. Me and her are cleaning. We were arguing. We were making a TikTok. I don't know if you guys are familiar with TikTok.
Yeah. What's your first name again? Zeta. What's your sister's name? Kayla. Can I talk to Kayla?
We're in our bras, respectfully.
Hello. You know, miss. Do you mind just stepping out here and talking to Officer Praggart?
Oh, can I get sit here?
Go for it.
I'm gonna shut my door now.
No, we're gonna leave it open for the time being, okay?
No, you don't pay my rent, so I will be.
If you try to push.
Don't shut it! Don't touch me! Stop! I'm not trying to stop. Stand over here. No, this was recording. Stand over here. Go. I'm sorry. Come over here. Take a breath. I shut the door in your face.
Stop resisting.
Don't touch me!
Stop resisting.
You're hurting me!
Stop resisting!
Stop!
Your other
You're
hand.
hurting me!
Give me your other hand!
I can't!
Stop resisting!
Stop!
Got it?
Okay, I'm fine.
Got a female running towards the main entrance. She's handcuffed. White shirt, purple pants. Stop!
No! You're recording! I will record you! No! You're hurting me! Why are you grabbing my hair like that? No!
You're
touching me! Why are you touching me?
We can slow it down. I got two females kind of like. Come on.
You're an Leave me the
Are you need anybody else?
Cut it out! Yeah, I'm not doing nothing! Cut it out! I'm not doing nothing! All that stuff was a word. Can I pull my pants off and that is out? Sorry.
When officers arrived, the sisters refused to cooperate. They appeared drunk, argued loudly, and the situation quickly turned physical. What started as an argument became a struggle. Door slammed. Police tried to control them, and both women kept shouting about their rights. One sister even claimed she couldn't breathe because of asthma. The scene was chaotic, full of yelling and resistance, pushing the officers to their limits.
Yes, send the township police.
No, don't touch me! You're an asshole! Stop, leave me alone!
Stop, do not kick me again.
No, I'm not trying to kick you!
You are trying to kick me.
Stop touching me! You don't know what I've gone through!
Stop touching your stuff!
Stop fighting with me.
Why are you doing this?
Stop fighting. Are you going to stand up and walk?
70 Township Center Vice.
How much you been drinking today?
70.
Why are you so bad?
Because I can smell it!
You're an asshole! Stop!
Township Center Vice.
Relax.
I know!
10-4. 78-1. Are you good over there?
I don't.
I'm good. Did you get her?
No,
I got her here by the main office.
I don't.
Do you want me to secure her in a car and help you?
Yeah, if you can.
No, I
We're
don't.
fine over here now.
Let's go over here. No, we're not going anywhere.
I'm cooperating with you.
No, you're not!
Yes,
I told you from the get-go to cooperate. Stop touching stuff.
I'm not touching shit. What are you talking about? No, you're hurting me. I don't even have shoes on. You're stupid. You're dumb. You're stupid as
Maybe you
hell.
should stop drinking.
Don't put shit on me. Don't put
Take a breath.
I don't know why.
Take a breath.
I just want to shut the door.
I told you you can't do
shut
that.
the door.
No, you
but
can't.
This was gonna happen.
You cannot hit a police officer, miss.
I didn't hit you. I shut
You
the
did,
door
miss.
in your face.
And you spit at me, so stop. Just relax. If I help you up, are you going to walk or no? We're good. I can't, but she keeps trying to kick me.
She just...
I'm not trying
over
to kick you.
Yeah, her...
I'm not trying to kick you.
If you want, you can wait with her. I'll wait till Tasha gets her. We'll escort her over.
They're drunk.
I'm not
Yeah.
f***ing drunk. You're a f***ing ass. You're
Stop.
trying to manipulate me
Stop.
in this situation. You're an No, I'm not f***ing drunk. You're trying to manipulate me into this situation because you shut the door and I know my rights.
Relax. Stop.
I know my rights. So you're getting sued. Now I'm sitting on you because you're getting sued. Because you're over here detaining me, right? Putting your hands on me, right? Because all I did was shut the door in your face. so therefore you're gonna get sued. No, get your hands off of me, nigga.
You have the surgical mask in your car?
You don't have
Like an
any
N95?
warrant to restrain me, nigga. Get off of me! I'm restrained!
Stop!
Get off of me! Where's your chief of police? I have to pick up my son. And you're get off of me!
No! Come to her feet.
No! Get off of me! No! Get off of me! You're triggering me. No, I'm not the. I can't breathe because I can't breathe.
Just get a spit mask.
Stop touching me! Don't please! I've been trained for. Please.
Sean, grab a spit mask.
No, I guess you won't leave me alone.
Is this going to be enough or no?
No, I'm not his son. Why are you doing this? No, I'm not his son. No, please. Why are you? I can't breathe. I have asthma. You guys.
I'm trying to sit you up if you keep fighting with the officers. I'm going to sit you up as soon as you stop fighting.
Hey, what's your name?
Kiara.
Kiara. If we roll you over, you gonna relax?
That's not my name.
We're going to just grab the one side. Just slide this over, and then we're going to take this other mask off of her.
Relax your
Sit
feet,
your head up,
and we're
Mom.
gonna
Sit your head up, miss.
come here. Roll over.
There you go. Can we just roll on our side? Can we take that off now?
Relax.
There you go. Just put it towards the back. Just is that all right? All right. Let's sit her up.
Come here.
Come on. There you go. Yes. You want to go back to your car? Just walk over with Sean to her car. We have her sister.
In through your nose, out through your mouth.
Do you want to sit her up?
You want to sit in the chair? No. You got asthma. You shouldn't be running.
I was just shutting the door because I didn't want to be bothered.
Who do you have in there?
My
back of her car.
sister
Okay.
Her cuffs are so cranked right now, she's probably screaming, but I had to throw her in there and shut the doors.
Do we want to try to walk her over to my car and we'll get her secured there? If we help you, can you stand up?
I'm fine. I'm not fucking tipsy. I'm fucking
Okay,
angry right now.
uncross your feet. Let's stand you up, miss.
Stand up. Come on.
We're going to walk back over this way where you came from.
Alright, it's easier if you help us and walk her.
It's easier to breathe too if you can stay upright.
I don't know what this is.
Stand right here. Officer Ridley's going to search you. Do you have anything on you? You got it? Yep.
Come on, we're going to go towards the car.
No, I was.
I don't know who else is in the house. I'm just going to go check real quick. And
No,
make sure
I will
there's-
put a restraining order on you.
After the struggle, both sisters were finally taken into custody. The younger one was sent straight to jail, while the older was taken to the hospital for clearance before booking. Despite their resistance, officers managed to bring the situation under control. What began as a loud argument inside an apartment ended with serious charges and a clear reminder of how quickly things can get out of hand.
Something about it too.
Get me out!
What?
No! Don't lock me in! Stop!
Ooh, jeez.
Something about a 2-year-old somewhere. You're aware of.
There's no
Take that,
kid.
you're gonna be charged with that too, so just add it up.
There's nothing. There's nobody else in the house. There is a kid's bed in there. I don't.
She said her 2-year-old allegedly is somewhere that she needs to go pick up, but she told someone where that is. No, it's moments.
Okay.
It's later than that.
Right?
I can't even lock her door, but if she can calm down just a little bit, we will do that. If not, then no.
It's a key lock only.
It's like a deadbolt. There's no push button or anything like that. So
Ask.
I'm good. I did my good deed of trying to be nice. So
You're gonna get charged with that, you're breaking stuff. It's right there.
hello.
It's right
You don't
there.
like me either, but
Because I will sue you. I am in the
Miss, hey,
I am
miss.
in the child of DCP.
Hey, miss,
I will
miss,
sue you right now.
miss,
Let me speak
miss.
to my state worker.
If you
Let me
stop,
speak to
they're
my
actually
worker.
here.
Let me speak.
They're here, miss. If you stop,
Let me speak
if you
to her.
if you
Let me
stop,
speak to her.
if you stop yelling, we can talk, and I can maybe make that happen. But until you do that, there's nothing I can do for you,
I've been stop yelling. You're manipulating me,
Nobody's
and you're being
racist.
racist.
miss. What's your
I have
casework?
PTSD. You guys need to let me out of here. Let me out.
Oh, that window, do you?
It's caged. What am I
You're
supposed to do?
absolutely correct.
We're down
Do you
8
wanna
cars
try and
anyways.
find the key or?
No, her caseworks are over here. They may know what the deal is, but I think that's the caseworker. Any IDs on them. So if you guys are to stay here, I'll go talk
Sure.
to them.
Oh,
They're
absolutely.
not the callers, but I spoke to them when we got here. So
I gotta do a search on her. I just did a quick pat down. Kayla, right? You need an ambulance? You wanna get that looked at? Doesn't hurt, right? That's good. You wanna stand up for a second? Do you keep anything in your bra, like money or anything?
Yes, but not at the moment. You could check though, but I don't think I have anything yet.
You don't keep any drugs or anything on you?
Hell no.
You don't use anything, right?
Except for marijuana, but
Smoke a little weed. I get shit.
is that for screaming? Dana, please cooperate, bro.
She usually freak out like that. She's got
And when she's like off the influence, and it's like, yeah, I have
she
to
on
go.
anything?
Zeta, shut up.
Is she on anything other than the...
No, just alcohol and...
I know, I'm going to try to loosen them. Yep, I see it.
Does anybody know where her kid is? She's obviously not cooperative enough to...
No, we don't know. We just know that she has it.
All right, well, we're trying, so... Do you know maybe a friend or family or something like that of hers, or...?
I honestly, I'm not familiar with her.
All right. Thank you. Thanks for the help.
Ooh, wait,
You're
wait,
right.
that hurts.
That's just my glove.
Oh.
It was just my glove touching your hand. Good?
Thank you.
So what happens is when you were trying to fight me, they just get tighter. That's all right. What happens is they just get tighter because you put pressure on them.
And I can't go home.
No, you made it worse. You're supposed to help me.
No, I need to help her to not get arrested. Now bring me to that side of the
It's
car.
too late. We gotta go back in the car. Though.
Oh
Come on.
my God.
Just have a seat and talk to Officer Coleman. Cool?
No.
Here, we gotta get back in the car.
No.
Just have a seat.
I hear her screaming so much.
It's okay.
No,
she's talking to the officers. You gotta get back in. No, thank you.
I'm gonna cooperate.
Smart girl.
That's so sad. No.
Are we better?
Can you leave this door open though at least, please?
We'll crack the window.
Listen. Can I buckle you, please, so you don't go flying through my window?
If you buckle me, can you leave?
She just said that the kid was with family,
Yeah, and then
but
I think
that's...
that friend said grandma.
I think Grandma lives in Morristown. All right, well, listen, let's bring her back or at least try.
Do that. If it's in the CAD, we can at least try and call
we'll look it up.
and go from there.
It's definitely open case.
I'm sure.
She's in that car right there. You're not going to be able to
Does
hear
this
her.
open? I can hear her right now. She's going crazy. And
Well, she's going to be going crazy. We have to go back to our
she's going
headquarters.
crazy. Please.
No, you gotta stay in the car.
Please, come on.
You're not gonna make it any better because you made it worse before.
Can
Remember I
call
told
the
you?
caseworker?
We
you
will.
can.
Yep.
I
Just put your
promise.
feet in.
No,
Please put your feet in.
no.
Keep it easy.
There we go. I don't want to be disrespectful.
I know. No, don't do that. Right?
Please. You know, listen.
Keep your head back.
Not right now.
No.
Keep your head back. We gotta lean back a little. Oh yeah, lean forward. Give yourself some room so I can just buckle you.
This one is uncomfortable. I can't leave
I know
because-
they're not made for comfort.
Wait,
Lean back.
I can't do this one. Wait, I don't know. Can you do anything?
There you go.
Is that fine?
Good.
Wait,
No, just her.
Can you leave the door open, please?
We're leaving.
Window.
She's in a little bit more cooperative?
Yeah.
Okay.
She calmed down when she got away from her sister.
I hope you f***ing die!
Miss,
You let me out!
Miss,
I'm having a panic attack!
Miss,
And you guys
stop
are coming
hitting
to
the door.
back!
We're going right to the hospital.
Do you want me to run with you?
Might as well.
Because he can take the car back.
Yeah. Let's,
Okay.
please. Let's do,
Get me out!
let me call, Jesus Christ. Let's do this. Follow us. Ed can follow her, and we'll get rolling.
You and I got one female 1011 starting when you're ready. 68164.7.
Yep, let's go. 7. Myself and 5'8" are going to be transporting to Morristown Medical Center with one female. Starting module when you're ready.
The younger sister was taken straight to jail, while the older one was taken to the hospital for medical clearance.
6.52, parts clean, you can cover it.
All right, hold on 1 second. I'm gonna get you some feet here. Do you think I should just take our pieces off and take her cuffs off, and then we'll put her in it? Yeah, we're gonna take them off.
Oh, good. Hold on a second. Yeah, we got a hood on her.
Oh.
Yep.
Hey, why don't you pick your head up a little bit because it's easier to breathe that way if you said you're having trouble. It gets you more oxygen. If you put your back against the... There you go. Stretch out.
Perfect.
Timmy's the one coming in.
Him and Dominic.
I feel like 9394 are not even here. Because they're just sitting on the track. They're probably...
Oh, it's a bad day to go for a run this morning because I,
Oh, yeah. Good day.
Yep.
That was probably the best I've ever driven to a car.
Cool. I hit the curb.
Really?
I knocked the alignment out of the car. We're good?
Nice.
See, come on.
Where? Horse Hill?
No, on the jug handler post too.
I'm up.
You got her up?
Yep. There you go.
With the shirt.
What I want to do is, stand up for me.
Take my shit up.
I know, but if you I got you. Do me a favor. I know. Well, we're gonna take
Close this out of court.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna take these off, all right?
Oh, this is Oh, this feels so good.
All right, so what I need you to do.
Ooh, nothing else is good but this hand.
We'll just take it off in case she starts to.
Grab the insurance information.
I'd rather
That stays on.
No, I'm taking this off for a second.
fix your bra.
It's actually gonna help you keep you
This will keep you warm because you have a jacket on here. You want to put this on?
because you're bleeding on your feet, and this is all we got. All right,
Because I was hoping we had some booties. You help with the zipper guy?
All right. Cool. I still have to put your handcuffs for a minute. It's your protocol.
That's a good look.
Can you make it loose, please?
No, we're gonna be back. For
We're just walking inside.
not even a minute, all right?
I don't have nothing. I don't have a phone. I don't have a date.
Nothing.
I appreciate you being cooperative thus far, at least with me.
I thought we were cool. Now you're cool.
In the end, both sisters were taken into custody. The younger one was transported directly to jail, while the older was brought to the hospital for medical clearance before booking. They now face multiple charges, including aggravated assault on law enforcement officers, resisting arrest, obstruction, harassment, and disorderly conduct. What started as a neighborhood disturbance ended with serious legal consequences, showing how quickly defiance can turn into a criminal case.